Hi everyone. In today's episode of Lawsuit in the News, I want to talk about the case of Brian Gomez from Elkhart, Indiana, who was a 17-year-old high school senior who unfortunately lost his life last week at the hands of police. They shot him dead in his vehicle after police observed him and a group of friends at a park in the dark, which was already closed after curfew. And officers alleged that when they contacted the vehicle, that people weren't responding, and they alleged that they saw guns, and in fact, they did find guns afterwards on or near the car, and Mr. Gomez was shot by police numerous times and died of his injuries. While the police is investigating this matter still, um, from a lawyer's perspective, it's always important to get legal representation going fast in cases like this, even if all the details aren't available, because speed is very important in an investigation, and it's important when you're suing the government, especially that you act fast, because most governments have strict statute of limitations when you can bring a claim. So, for example, in the state of California and even in the state of Indiana, they require advance notice of 6 months. So, you have 6 months to bring a claim against the state before you can file a lawsuit. And in the state of Indiana, there are limitations to how much one can recover. It's about $700,000 per person if they allege that they were damaged or hurt by the government. Whereas here in California, the damages are unlimited. You could sue for $100 million if the government hurts you. In Indiana, where this incident happened, the laws are different. You can only get 700,000, which shows that there is a clear disparity in some states and the ability to recover damages when you are hurt by the government. What are your thoughts about that type of disparity when it comes to government torts and how much you can recover? Obviously, with the case of Mr. Gomez, facts are still coming out in regards to what happened that particular night. Body cam still needs to be released, and we'll see what happened and whether or not officers acted appropriately in this situation.